Hi, this is a 3D model. When seen from the top view, the front elevation comes up something like this. The east portion looks like this, the back side and the west side of it. Um, First, talking about the second floor, there will be one storage room with a connected powder room to keep overhead water tank and solar panel. If space is sufficient, it can go above this storage room. There will be one shack kind of a sit out area in the second floor. That's it. Stairs to go to second floor will be from outside, starting from the first floor sit out from the back. So this sit out will also open up to give a view to the backyard. And as usual, in the first floor there will be two bedrooms with attached toilets. And if possible, toilet space can be increased by projecting outward 1 feet both. So that makes it 9 by 5. And if the width should also be proportionately increased to 6, we can reduce the room, which is currently 15 by 14, as 15 by 13, so that bathroom will become 9 into 6. This will also give good amount of space for walk-in wardrobe. That is the first floor. And there will be staircase to go from ground floor to first floor from inside. That's it. From first floor to second floor, the staircase will not come from inside. Rather, it will be from the back, from the living room of the first floor. That's first floor. Talking about the front sit out in the first floor, um, it should have a roof which is concrete based with a central opening for glass see through. And the railings could be either out of glass or stainless steel or any other metallic good one. um, and there should also be some projection of a C shape, which will also act like a chajja for two front facing windows. At the same time, also gives a front elevation looks. The bottom portion of this C section slab can have lighting embedded, so that in the night the house looks illuminated. And there can be a vertical standing structure here to make front elevation look decent. And we prefer to have a stone finishing at least for half of the wall from the front. And further, in the car parking space, which is having a L-shaped wall, we can go for Rajasthan yellow stone or a maple red stone or both combination. So there are two L walls in the front. Then, since the sit out of the first floor comes all the way and still remains 7 feet uh, gap for the car park, to get a good shade as well as to improve the look and feel, we can put a horizontal white beam, white color or a stone beams, so that it also gives a partial shade to the car parking, and that can be supported with a arch, which is made out of two pillars and one horizontal long beam. So that's front and the first floor. Talking about ground floor, um, ground floor would eventually have, yeah. So once, yeah. So from the ground floor, um, once the, this is not good. So to give the ground floor view, let me switch to ground floor. Yeah, and we can have only ground floor 3D view. Yeah. So this is how ground floor would look like. In the backyard, we have a high-raised wall, just like Shrikant's house, with ventilation windows, which will also serve as a covering. It should cover completely. And what we see here is this one, round one, we can imagine it as a borewell point. And this space is more for underground sump for water storage. So net, since ours is a south-facing property, the borewell and the underground sump uh, should stay in this path, and it should not come under the way of a backyard garden that we plan to create. And also the see-through from the living should really open up to the backyard only. So once from the foyer user enters the living, so there will be entrance to the puja, and then for the ground floor bathroom there is a space here. Again, this bathroom can be made again 8 into 6, that is the width can be increased by 1 foot, so that there will be a utility area created in front of bathroom where we can have one washing machine and one hand wash basin. Dining, fridge, kitchen with storeroom. Probably kitchen and storeroom need not have a separate door or a wall or anything, so that it will give a dual purpose. Either it will serve as a extended kitchen, the storeroom will give some more added space. If needed, we can have a door at the kitchen storeroom to go to the back utility, or we can avoid it if it's unnecessary. Um, so there will be a sit out uh, next to dining, that will be opening up through the door, and it will be having a projection of around 8.5 into 7 feet space. So that is much of it. There are few points, variations that we can consider. Um, the gate um, could be either wooden or even steel or any other metallic one, but which is good looking or decent looking. For the front, a small portion of wall could be stone finishing. As we said, yellow and red Rajasthan stones, somewhere we can utilize them. Uh, and the beam idea for the front elevation, hope it looks okay. Compound must have a complete 3 feet walk. So along with compound, it will be 3.5 on both the sides, so that there is unrestricted, easy to walk. Utility should be around 5.5 to 6 feet. Um, if it is not possible to go from first floor to second floor from outside, then only the staircase from the inside will go from ground to first and first to second. Otherwise, we prefer to have the staircase from the first floor back, backs it out. Um, we want the backyard to be closed so that there is a privacy, there is safety. Um, as we said, the bathrooms, if it could be increased to 8 by 6 or 9 by 6, and also the walk-in wardrobe in the first two floors, in the first floor, 2 bedrooms. If it can accommodate more space, that would be good. Otherwise, the current walk-in wardrobe is namesake. Um, Another idea was that is it possible from the first floor? Let me go to first floor. This is first floor design only, 3D. So in the first floor, currently we have drawn the stairs from both. We'll switch off the ground floor. So this is the first floor only design. So as of now, we have put stairs both from inside as well as from backside. We leave it to engineers to suggest whether which one is better, so that either we can have a stairs inside or from outside. One of the has to be decided and finalized. We prefer outside. Um, and there was one more ask that because in the ground floor dining, we don't have any eye roof either in the living or in the dining. If possible, this particular first floor room, which is in the north um, west, can it be moved to northeast area, but leave the WC and in the same place, that is above the kitchen. And I think above the kitchen we will also give one single horizontal passage which can act as a correct walk-in wardrobe, so that from ground floor when we look in from the dining hall, it will be high roof. This particular living room in the first floor, which is as per current design, which is around 23 feet long, probably that can be reduced to kind of uh, this can be possibly reduced to accommodate one room which is 15 by 13, and then remaining space will be serving as a living. So as soon as anybody comes above the stairs from inside, from ground to first floor, one of the room entrance will be somewhere here, and another room entrance will be as per the current 2D plan, and then there is a sit out. So the advantage of this one is the staircase from first floor to second floor should be inside itself. But for this room, which is a master bedroom, if you want to call it, we'll get a larger bathroom, larger walk-in wardrobe, and we'll also have a eye roof where we can have one see-through glass. From this bedroom, we can see the dining on west side, and on the north side, we can see the backyard. So that this room wall will be fully stretched all the way till this point, so that this room is also quite spacious, acts as a master bedroom. So master bedroom will be in the northeast if possible. That's one change that we can think of. If it is not possible, okay, let's ignore it. We'll stick to the default plan that we have now. A water tank position typically has to be in the southwest, but if it is affecting the front elevation, we can push it little backward and put it in the center. Um, so this is much of it that we wanted to call out. Let us know what is feasible, not feasible, and let's work on the structural design. Thank you.